In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Fortnite here on your PC or laptop. This is super quick and easy to do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser to do this. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, but you could use whatever you'd like. And what you're going to want to go and do is type in this search bar, download Fortnite, and hit enter. And what you're going to want to do is select this little option up the top that says download and install Fortnite today. Open it up. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and sign in with your Epic Games account. Up in the top right, if you don't have an Epic Games account, go ahead and create one now. Essentially, go ahead and select download now to get it on the Epic Games launcher. And what this is going to do is install the Epic Games launcher. It's going to install up here. Go ahead and go through the installation process by selecting the installer. And once it does finish, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, which is the Epic Games launcher. From here, all you have to do is navigate over to this Discover tab right here and just type in Fortnite and hit enter and go to this Fortnite base game option right here. Over in this right hand sidebar, you're going to see an option to download where mine currently says in library. Go ahead and select that. And you're going to see your progress bar in the bottom left corner of the launcher, which is going to show you both the speed and the percentage. When the download finishes, simply go to your library tab right here, find Fortnite within here and select it to open it up. And once you do launch the game, you're going to be prompted to log in one more time. And just like that, you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.